श्रीमद्रत्नाकरपुत्रिका मुखारविन्द मरन्दपान विलोलमिलिन्दायमाना श्रीमद्रत्नाकरपुत्रिका मुखारविन्द मरन्दपान विलोलमिलिन्दायमाना श्रीमद्रत्नाकरपुत्रिका मुखारविन्द मरन्दपान विलोलमिलिन्दायमाना नन्दनन्दना मुचिकुंद वरदा मंदरोधरा परिहसितरागा सुधाकरा सुंदर वदनारविंदुडकु श्रीराजगोपाल स्वामी वारी शरणारविंदमुलकु सत्यभामा सत्यभामा निटलतट खटित कर कमलये अनेक साष्टांग दंड प्रणामंबुलाचరించి చాయంగల విన్నపంబులు మజ్జనకుండు సత్రాజిత్తు నన్ను మీకిచ్చి వివాహంబునరించిన ప్రవృత్తి వజ్రవైడూర్య నీల గోమేధిక పుష్యరాగ खचित पद्मराग मरकत महाबलाधि सकल विकल्पित नानाविध चित्र विचित्र जाम्भो नवरत्न निर्मितं भगो हंसतूलिका तल्पंबुना दिव्य मंगल विग्रहाकारुलై నన్ను కాఢాలింగమునర్చుకొని ఆహ్లాదంబునగూర్చుచున్న తమరు నాయందు నిర్దయత్వంబున కఠిన మనస్కులై నన్ను విడనాడి తొలగి ఉన్న నాట నుండి నాయందు మారుండు క్రూరుందాయే నిశిత కుసుమ శరఘాతంబున హృదయంబు చిన్నంబుగాను నర్చే సుఖాపిక నికరంబులు ఒకించుక కరుణించుట కుమారు కూయంతొడంగే మత్త మధుపంబులు జుమ్మను నాదంబుచే తలదిమ్ము పుట్టించే మత్త మధుపంబులు జుమ్మను నాదంబుచే తలదిమ్ము పుట్టించే చంద్రుండు అనలుండాయే మలయానిలుండు కాలాంతకుందాయే నన్ని క్రూరాత్ముల బారింపడదోసి మన్మందిరంబునకు విచ్చేయక నా వంటి అబలయడ చలము సాధించుట తమకు ధర్మంబు కాదు చిత్తజుని బాధి కోర్వక చిత్తజుని బాధి కోర్వక తత్తడపడి రాసినాను తప్పో ఒప్పో చిత్తమున కోపమించగా ఇత్తడి బ్రోవంగరావే ఇవి ఏ ప్రణత ఇవి ఏ ప్రణత చిత్తగించవలెను ఇట్లు సత్యభామ
Now this was the Vachika Abhinaya portion of Kuchipudi that you have just seen. I would also like to inculcate at this point that apart from this, Kuchipudi can also do Abhinaya in other forms, the instrumental, which becomes the non-verbal communication. So I would be showing you a small Javali, Smara Sundaranguni, set to set to Paras Ragam and Aditalam, in which the heroine is Swadhina Patika. She says she's absolutely confident of her husband, and whatever she says, the husband listens. Therefore, she becomes the Swadhina Patika. She asks for a nose ring, he immediately brings one. She asks for a hair plate, he immediately brings one. When she plays the veena, the husband is so immersed in the music that he loses himself and always appreciates the wife. So I'd be now presenting the Smara Sundaranguni Javali set to Paras Rakam and Aditalam, choreographed by my Guruji, Guru Sitanaka Jyoti Garu.
Smara Sundaranguni
स्मर सुंदरांगुनी सरी यौवरे सरस कोटिलोन बजे रुहमीर 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 स्मर सुंदरांगुनी सरी यौवरे सरी यौवरे सरी यौवरे.
Thank you so much. We move on to the next perception about Abhinaya. You can do the Abhinaya using the whole body also, for which we need the common understanding that about which I had been talking for some time. The audience as well as the sender of the message needs to understand the common coding, and the common coding becomes the hastas. So I'll now invite one of other senior disciples, Ms. Akriti Agarwal, to come onto the stage and demonstrate in front of us Natya Shastras, Asamyuta Hastas and Samyuta Hastas. We start with Asamyuta Hastas. Patakas tripatakascha tatha vai kartari mukhaha ardhachandro hyaralascha शुकतुण्डस्तथैव च मुष्टिश्च शिखराख्यश्च कपित्थः कटकामुखः सूचास्यो पद्मकोशश्च तथा वै सर्पशीर्षकः मृगशीर्षः परोग्नेयो हस्ताभिनययोतृभिः लाङ्गूलो अलपद्मश्च चतुरो भ्रमरस्तथा हंसास्यो हंसपक्षश्च समदंसो मुकुलस्तथा ऊर्णनाभस्ताम्रचूडः चतुर्विंशाधिमेकराः. So in Natya Shastra, Bharata Muni talks about, thank you, talks about 24 Asamyuta Hastas, that is the single hand gestures. Single hand gestures, by which we mean if we say Pataka only in one hand also, it is understood. If we do it in two hands separately also, it's understood. If it's used with another mudra or using the same mudra, we bring two hands together, it becomes Samyuta Hastas. So she'll now demonstrate the Samyuta Hastas. Anjalischa kapotascha karkatah swastikastatha kataka vardhamanascha hyutsangho निषदस्तथा डोलः पुष्पपुटश्चैव तथा मकर एव च गजदन्तो अवहितश्च वर्धमानस्तथैव च एते तु संयुताः हस्ताः मया प्रोक्तास्त्रयोदश. So Bharata Muni talks about the 13 hand gestures that are used in a double way. Double way in the sense, both the hands using together, they represent meanings. Namaste, for which we show Anjali. For flowers, we can show Pushpaputa. So when we combine two hand gestures together, it becomes Samyuta Hastas. Now I'll again ask Ms. Sritanya Sharma to come onto the stage and explain to us the Nritta Hastas. Nritta Hastas are the hastas which are used for pure dance. Pure dance behind which we do not have behind which we do not have meanings, but it is used for a pure dance purpose, like when we do jatis probably, and when we do some intricate movements of hand and feet movements, these hastas can be used. Chaturashro tadodvrto तथा तलमुखो स्मृतो स्वस्तिकौ विप्रकीर्णौ च अराळकटकामुखौ आविद्धवक्रो सूचास्यो रेचिता अर्धरेचितो उत्तानवञ्चितौ चैव पल्लवौ च तथा करौ नितम्बावपि विज्ञेयं केशबन्धौ तथैव च लताख्यो च तथा प्रोक्तौ करिहस्तौ तथैव च पक्षवञ्चितकौ चैव पक्षप्रद्योतकौ तथा नेयो गरुडपक्षौ च दण्डपक्षौ तथैव च ऊर्ध्वमण्डलिनौ चैव पार्श्वमण्डलिनौ तथा उरोमण्डलिनौ चैव उरः पार्श्वार्थमण्डली मुष्टिकस्वस्तिकश्चापि नलिनी पद्मकोशकौ अलपल्लवौ उल्बणौ च ललितौ वलितौ तथा. So these are 33 Nritta Hastas. We also use the Padakarmas, which are 30 in number. The Nritta Hastas are 30 in number. And now we are going to see the feet movements or the Padakarmas, which are 6. Udghattitah, बैठ के करो. उद्घट्टितः समञ्चैव तथा अग्रतलसञ्चरः अञ्चितः कुञ्चितः सूचीपादाशोडा प्रकीर्तिताः. The last one that we saw, the Suchipada, is extensively used only in Kuchipudi. We do not have this feet movement usually used in any other dance form. Thank you, Shritanya. With the completion of Abhivyanjanas, the bhavas are manifested as Sandesha. Sandesha is a product of Abhivyanjana process. As I explained earlier, a message is the manifestation of the bhava into a form and code that is perceivable and understandable by the senses. It is the information that the sender wants to send the receiver. So we come to a conclusion of today's lecture demonstration with this. And one needs to also note that this process of communication, even though it has been thousands of years old, it has a feedback system. In spite of the complex hierarchies of caste, creed, and religion that has existed in our country, the lot of differences between people, in spite of that, the communication process has been circular. For example, they say, I don't know if it's a good example, but in front of the elders, they say the son should not be smoking. This is a communication. This is as if paying, of course, the smoking is not a very good habit in itself, but not smoking in front of the parent itself becomes a sign of respect. And therefore, the communication process becomes circular when the father shows his rejection towards a bad habit. The same applies for dance also. When I try to explain a particular mood, the mood is first invested in my mind, which comes out of a mudra or the abhinaya that I do. And as a receiver, all of you understand that, and then you give back the then you give me back the feedback. That is by your applause or by your rejection, whichever the way you want to express your rasa swadhana, you will again show that experience towards the dancer, and the dancer again shows her bhava, converts that into abhivyanjana and delivers it to the receiver, the sender, the audience like you. Thank you so much for the time, and I was given only 40 minutes, I think, so I tried to wrap it up very quickly. I have a lot of other things to talk about, but I'm sure other speakers are waiting. 10 minutes, okay. Okay, no problem. I think close of it. So again, I once again thank Andhra Silicon Valley for organizing this huge event on behalf of Abhinay Pranita Kuchipudi Art Society and also my gurus, Guru Shita Nagajyoti Garu and Guru Sri Nagajyoti Garu. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ అభినయ్ నాగజ్యోతి గారు. రేర్ అంశం అనుకుంటా కదండి, మ్యూజిక్తో వాళ్ళే చేస్తూ చేయడం అనేది చాలా చక్కగా అభినయం చేసింది, వాచికి అభినయం.